Malvern's a family suburb. It's about 10 kilometres from the CBD with lovely Edwardian and Victorian houses. We were asked to sort of revitalise and rejuvenate a large family home. The children are all either finishing high school or in university now. The needs of the family had changed. Clover House is designed to last the distance, and I think that's why the clients love living in this area. They've got that family connection. That's what we've tried to enhance in this house, to make sure that there's enough space for the extended family to come back, or for it to contract if it's just a smaller section of the family. It's a lovely timber Victorian house. As you come through the front door, there's quite a grand hallway. We have opened the walls up and created a beautiful space where you can either keep the glass doors closed and have some intimacy and some privacy, or they can also open right up into the larger space. We've also added these beautiful soft curtains which give you an incredibly beautiful dappled light through the morning sun. We spun the axis of the kitchen to allow more space for dining and living. In changing the orientation of the kitchen, we're able to bring in this beautiful big window that gives you views into the green hedge beyond, which informed the slight green touches we've got in the formal area. We haven't really changed the footprint dramatically. We just rejuvenated and revitalised the house and brought better amenity to the house for a more adult population. The client wanted a nice, gentle landscape to live within. So we deliberately kept all the toning very gentle, very soft. We've layered it up with texture. There's stone, there's a lot of timber, the beautiful linen curtains, lovely soft marble, and of course the green view in the kitchen that's a constant from wherever you are in the room. Well, a big part of this project is the timber flooring. We were specifically looking for that tone that would marry in beautifully with our timber veneer and the grey tones in the paint. These floorboards are lovely and wide and beautifully toned. It's not just how it looks. A lot of the time the floor is recessive, but the feel underfoot is just as important. You want to be able to pad around in bare feet and have that nice connection to that natural timber. Some of the signature design cues that we use are this feeling of a very calm space. We try and produce a really gentle, calm space for people to come home and just to breathe in. Functionality is really important, but we still want it to be beautiful. You can find that fine balance. You're enhancing people's well-being, and I think that's really important. It's really lovely being here this morning and seeing that beautiful light falling through the rear doors and just playing across the floor. It's really nice to come and visit a house once it's all finished. It's such a joyous thing for a designer to see it all come together.